Example exercise number 1.5. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, charges appear on both. A similar phenomenon is observed with many other pairs of bodies. Explain how this observation is consistent with the law of conservation of charge. Okay. Now we know law of conservation of charge means charge is neither created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to another. Now when glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, due to friction, electron transfer from glass rod to silk cloth. So initial, see, suppose this is my glass rod, okay, and this is my silk cloth, okay, this is glass rod and this is silk cloth. If you are rubbing, there is a friction. So there is a, suppose there is in the initially, suppose the charge is, let's say maybe plus or let's say it is 5, okay, total. So maybe here suppose this is 2 and this is 3. When you are rubbing each other, initially this is 3 and 5, so it is 5 here, okay, total is 5. Now when you are rubbing, so there is a friction. The electron will move from this side to this side. This will get negatively charged. This will get positively charged after the friction, after the rubbing. So what happens? The charge from here has moved here, and from here the positive charge has created. Okay. So but when it is when initially it was 5, now only the transfer has taken place. So first it was 5, and second time when you do it also it will be 5 only. Okay, but the problem is what? Here one will be negatively charged, one will be positively charged. So we can say that initially charge was 0. Okay, there was this is neutral, charge is 0. But now second time when there is a after friction there is a transfer of electron, but again if you do that together then it will be 0. So transfer of charge is taken, but the total will be 0. So what we can say that overall charge neither created nor discharged nor destroyed, therefore charge is conserved. This is the consistency with law of conservation of charges. So charges are transferred, but the total charge will be equal. It will not be changed. Okay, thank you very much.